You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this village in England, the way it's pronounced in England in English. If you want to learn more names of English places, stay tuned. It's pronounced not Tintagel or Tintagel, Tintagel. Let's break it down. Tin, like a tin of beans. Tin, ta, not ta, Joe. It's like a J sound. Tintagel. Stress on that ta syllable. How to pronounce Tintagel. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.